The fact that the culture is turning around, right? And the culture is starting to dictate where we go with technology. And, you know, like you all said earlier, we're here. It's not a mythical creature anymore. This is something that we can go out, we can see, we can put hands on. And if for no reason at all, if that's not a good reason enough to start making this transformation or to dive deeper into this transformation, everyone else is, right? And you have to start looking at how are you going to stay competitive? How are you going to continue to survive? Like you said, and through 2060, Mr. Pillar made a great example there. And those seeds have to be planted and start being sown.
You know, building data models, using ML, like all those fall under this democratize your data kind of header, you know, umbrella. Like all of that is part of the getting the data to the people at the right time, like I said.
What's a game changer for their job, but it doesn't mean their job is going to go away, right? So it's enabling them to work better, to work smarter, and hopefully give them a better work-life balance as well, right? If they're more efficient, maybe there's less overtime, maybe the skill upskills the job. So really involving the entire stack of people to get the right answers.
One of the things that we see, you know, in manufacturing are people trying to build unified namespaces. They're trying to expose that data, democratize the data like we've been talking about, and get that data out. This is a great way of doing it. So we looked at some of the options that are out there, and they've been used in more generically. So they've been used in not just manufacturing, but they've been used in commercial and, you know, different websites and different services have used it. So what we're looking at, because we're so focused on manufacturing and IIoT, we said we're going to create an MQTT broker to really complete that stack in the factory. So we're going to be able to connect to PLCs and sensors and databases, get that data in, transform it, and then expose it to an MQTT broker, our MQTT broker. So it's all very tightly integrated with our product, but you can still use it with other MQTT devices. So it's not just ours, it'll be a generic MQTT there.